Movie. Now I want you to say,
Hi, Grandma. Hi, on the bike. Cousins. Hi, hi, partner and.
yeah, hi everybody. So what do you want to say? Stand up and let me see your outfit for Halloween, for going to school. Okay, scoot back, run over there. Okay, stop. Now come back over here. And stop. Okay, let me see your socks. They have spiders. This is, now let me see your dance. Spider dance, spider dance. What do you want to
I'm
do?
not in a city.
Well, it's pretty silly. Hey, show us what the wicked stepsister looks like. No? Okay. So happy Halloween. How old are you going to be in about a week and a half?
5.
No. How old are you going to be?
3.
How old are you going to be?
4.
There you go. All right. Happy Halloween. Well,
Well,